even know we were standing right here.
Just that guy again. He's always here, hiking like an asshole. He runs all over the place like a moron. I think he's like a wild animal or something.
He's a wild animal.
Watch your mouth.
Watch your mouth, little boy.
Always running around the kids, cursing.
I know.
The guy takes hiking way too seriously.
You see this guy?
Every time.
Beware.
Every time, it's like you got to outdo everybody. You got to hike better than everybody else. You got to run faster.
Look
You got to.
Look at how he runs.
Oh,
like
I don't even need water when I go. I don't want water. Water's for weak people.
Oh shit, he's gonna hear this, right?
Hey, douchebag.
Oh, fuck. Come on. Hey. Move. Move. God!
Oh, it's just a spider got a bee.
Oh, really?
A little spider got that bee.
Oh, that's, look at that. Let me ask you something, sir. How far does
A spider got a bee? Oh,
You know, I've never taken it all the way. I think it goes all the way down to like Laurel Canyon.
and the other way, so like...
Well, that bee's getting loose.
We'll take the
Survival of the bee.
and then down, I think.
Okay.
So yeah, it kind of goes along these like.
Okay.
Kill spider.
I don't know if you can shoot over that way or not.
Okay, so basically just follow the trail and hopefully...
Yeah, they kind of.
Yeah, they...
I've only gone like so far, but I think somebody told me that the park at Laurel Canyon comes up over to
Okay. So, we're obviously going the right way. And
Spider don't want to let him go. Spider's going to get on top of him, spin a little more yarn, bring him back in. Now he's really tangled. Bee and spider. Got him. It's wicked. What's the most that can happen?
Chris Wells,
You're gonna fall down.
the encouragement.
That's as much as I'm going.
With, with a lot of talent.
Screw yourself.
What, man? You can fall from higher than that.
Bro, I'm
like 6 feet up.
I could fall for
Hurry the fuck up, Tryfon! Aw, I guess we're not going to see any success from Tryfon Regulus.
If I didn't have as many things, I'm a pussy.
There you have it.
Hey, Dickie, you brought us back. A big one.
Hi, tell him I said hello. Nice.
So cool.
Okay, well,
Doggies.
you want to do it, Chris?
Yeah?
Want me to video you?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Oops, there's
Sleeping right now.
my hand. All right. Hello. Hi, puppies. Oh, that's cool. Wow.
Ah, one didn't feel good.
That one didn't feel good. It looked good.
Oh, now you're tough, right?
Yeah. They're so tough.
Come on, you pansy.
Here's the pansy.
I'm like,
Nothing real fun you can do once you get up there. It's like,
Just don't let it go. Hold on to it. You don't want to go there.
whoa.
Back and landing there.
You will, because the momentum brings you back for sure. See how far you go.
Okay, I'm not gonna be able to move my arms later.
Just swing. You're fine.
If you want to.
that's cool.
You gonna do it again?
I'll let you go.
Let you go.
Okay, try real quick.
I feel like the
Do
guy
one,
that
do
does-
one. I'm still rolling.
No, it's your turn.
I'm-
We're going.
She's okay.
Oh.
She's okay.
Nice.
Oh my god. Oh no!
You're fine, you're fine.
Oh,
Oh, wow. You would have got it.
There would be right there. I know.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Are you okay? I'm not worried. I'm okay. We're having fun. Is that you?
no. didn't make that noise. I think that was a
It's not like
monkey.
a monkey.
You know, just random. No, I was joking.
It's probably that guy.
Seriously.
It's like some...
Yeah, it is him. He has that musky. Yeah.
Touch the sky.
One more time, because I can't feel my armpits.
That's a bird.
Yeah, you could definitely do it.
You can hit it. But this is missed.
You went like right in between the brains.
Yeah.
Oh, how'd that feel?
There
Yeah.
you go. Yay. Bravo, bravo.
Anyone else want to try?
Do you want to go again?
I'll go after you guys.
After you leave.
I'm gonna play.
That's definitely a little less. Oh, you're.
Oh,
trying
shit.
to
No,
angle.
I'm just trying to see. I got my stuff in my pockets. Can I throw this thing?
Throw it in the tree right there.
Come on, get in the tree.
Get in the tree.
Get in the
See
tree.
if there's anybody there.
Woo! Impressive. I know, don't leave the tree there though.
Oh, is that ours to take?
Ooh! Oh, I suppose that.
Oh, that sounds good. I'll be back, I promise.
It was just that little metal.
No,
I know, it did sound
it hit that right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That wasn't the tree snapping in
All
there.
right, take care.
All right, see ya.
All right.
Here,
I'll
try.
try to-
Yeah.
You want to do it again?
It's taping.
Okay. This is like our own amusement park.
It'd be cool if there was water down there.
At first, I thought the string of. I thought he was wearing a string thong.
I like you, Jenna.
Little belt.
My little whale tail.
Oh wow, he's risque.
And he tied his head to it.
Yeah, and then that's when I realized. Wow, now he get his hat on his underwear.
And this is everybody, Rose.
Poor man's built.
Hello. And the dogs. We can't forget the dogs.
Watch out.
Are we? Oh, we're still going? How long does this thing go?
You have to get
An hour?
An hour. Oh, so
get the tree.
She's so high.
Yeah.
She's so high. She's up.